Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Guess what I got for you guys today? Well, I finally decided to change out my rear bearings. I greased the old ones up not too long ago, but oh man, look at these. I was looking at some new ones online and it looked so nice. I said, you know what, I'm just gonna change them out. So we're all set up here. We have the disc drum removed already. So let's get right into it. Swap out the old, install the new. These mount bolts are 14 millimeter. And I'm using a magnetic socket to pull them out. And the torque for these is 59 foot-pounds. 59 foot-pounds, but I'll repeat that when I install the new ones. And I usually just use 60 foot-pounds. Close enough. And one more, and this should come right off. Then we'll pop the new ones on, do the other side, and we're done. It's just that easy. Look at that. You go compare them on the bench to make sure they're the same size. Okay, we have them on the bench here. Here's the new one, here's the old one. Go ahead and kind of compare, make sure that the studs line up. Looks about right. I'm going to try and see if the tops line up. Just to check, make sure they sent you the right thing. Everything looks good, so let's go put them on the car. Okay, just like when we did the greasing, you have to remember that the part with the rounded top goes on top, and the concave portion goes on the bottom, convex goes on the top. So we're going to put those in, and I'll put these bolts in advance. It makes it a little easier to get them started. And I switched out my socket to a non-magnetic socket because it's hard. They don't want to let go. They don't want to let go of the bolts when you put them in. It's a pain. So line that up. Get it in there. So much for that. Yeah, get one started, and then we will torque them all to 60. I'm going to torque mine to 60 foot-pounds. The spec is 59, but I'm going to use 60. Okay, and I could actually do this. Faster. Okay. Next, we'll torque them to 59 foot-pounds, and we'll do that in a cross pattern. So I'll start over here, take this one to, well, 60 foot-pounds. And then I'll go straight across to this one here and do the same. All right, we're all done installing the bearings. They look great. Here's the left side. And here's the right side. Thank you for watching.